What is up, guys? Happy holiday. In this video, we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin right here on the 4-hour time frame. We're going to be diving in at the daily time frame, monthly. We're also going to be having a look at Ethereum because Ethereum right now is actually currently breaking out of this symmetrical triangle, which could be very, very bearish. By the way, this is a new channel. I'm going to try to update and make only Bitcoin updates on here because Bitcoin's king, Bitcoin's the leader. This is my OG channel with 18,000 subscribers. Not so much. You guys can feel free to follow this channel as well. But anyways, having a look at Bitcoin right now, what the hell is happening? So we know, guys, first of all, historically, 2024 was bullish. We didn't really have an altcoin season yet. And of course, it was only Bitcoin season. And right now, altcoins are absolutely bleeding. They're absolutely getting destroyed. And that's because Bitcoin's getting wrecked right now. Was this just a dead cat bounce? Essentially, you know, a lot of people thought that this was the rally, but I was like, no, wait a second, this could be a dead cat bounce because we were actually oversold right here, and we have never been oversold on a daily time frame like this in a very, very long time. I mean, I personally don't remember when Bitcoin was oversold like this on the stochastic RSI, so we had to essentially come back and retest. Bitcoin came down, retested this area a few times. You guys can see right here, $91,000 is a pretty strong support region. And of course, you guys can see right here, this was a pretty strong resistance. Okay, so we did not peak above $100,000, unfortunately, again. So that's the resistance right now. And the big question is, will Bitcoin come back down, find bottom here, and then start the rally in 2025 from there? Or will Bitcoin come down to as low as $87,000, $85,000, $86,000 as everyone is saying? So this is the last support right here that I'm putting for Bitcoin. If that doesn't happen, we could actually see Bitcoin coming back down to $74,000, $76,000. But of course, that's for another video if we do get around that price region right there. If I have a look at right here at Bitcoin on the monthly time frame, Bitcoin is looking not good, guys, on the monthly time frame. I mean, a candle like this is usually a sign of a reversal. I mean, we saw what happened back in 2021. Of course, that was because of the FTX and Luna crash, right? But this candle right here on the monthly is not so bullish. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty bearish, but it does not mean that 2025 can't be bullish, and it doesn't mean that we can't see further action to the upside. So pretty much that's what's happening right now. Weekly is looking okay as well. I mean, obviously we had a nice little bearish divergence on the weekly time frame, but let's have a look right here on the 4-hour time frame. Right below, once again, below the VPVR point of control, we know that's where all the big moves are pretty much happening. This is the point of control volume profile right here. We're most likely going to come back down and retest $92,000. If I actually pull up the stochastic RSI right here, you guys can see once again we were overbought on the stochastic RSI. And what happens when we're overbought? You could expect some sort of corrections, right? And this just was not nice. This pump right here, something smelled fishy. I know a lot of people called it the Santa rally and whatnot, but this pump right here, just like, I mean, what is this? Like a dump, a pump, a dump, a pump, a dump, like, and it just, things didn't seem right. We got rejected right here. I actually shorted. I'm pretty sure my short is still on. I don't even know how much I'm up, but I'm still short on that trade. I'm gonna put a screenshot in a second, but things are just not looking good right here for Bitcoin. We're most likely gonna come back down and retest $92,000. If I actually have a look right here at Ethereum also is not looking so great. Now, how can I actually calculate this target? Well, if I actually take the symmetrical triangle, the top to the bottom, and I actually put it at the breakout, we actually have a level of 2,965. So I don't think we're going to reach this low. What's interesting, though, is that it does bring us near this target right here, which is this support region right here. I don't think Ethereum will fall below this level right here. Ethereum, guys, come on. You're slacking, ETH. I mean, why did you just get rejected at $4,100? This is the second time you get rejected at this area. You're literally slacking. Break $4,100. Start the altcoin season yet. You know what I'm saying? Like, what is Vitalik doing? What the hell is going on? Anyways, if that does happen, you could expect a, you know, from here actually a 10% drop, which is not the craziest drop. But of course, assuming that it does go here and then it goes back to 4,100, that's a 35% pump. So you could expect that I will be putting some limit orders right here on Ethereum. That is my trade. Will I short Ethereum here? No, because we've seen a bunch of fake outs. I mean, we see fake outs to the upside, to the downside, left, right, diagonal. Things are not looking so great. So I'm not going to go ahead and short in a bear market. I'm in a bull market, but I do have limit orders starting at 3,100 right here, 3,000, and of course 2980 or 2980. So if you guys are interested in joining my Discord, come communicate. I do drop some signals in there, so feel free to come inside my Discord and discuss about that. But pretty much that's what's happening right now for Ethereum. Ethereum's not looking so great. If I have a look at the Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin dominance, I believe, had a flash crash earlier today, but it looks like it was resolved. But anyways, if I have a look right here, the Bitcoin dominance, this was just, this is just ugly, right? I mean, the Bitcoin dominance, in order for us to have an altcoin season, we need to see the Bitcoin dominance come all the way down. And I'm not talking about all the way down to 54. By the way, the reason why the Bitcoin dominance crashed right here or came down was because of XRP. It wasn't really because of, altcoins pumping. We had Ethereum pumping a little bit, but it's mostly because of like coins like SUI and XRP. Like, yes, the market cap is very, very low, but they were able to bring the Bitcoin dominance up, down like 0.3, 0.4% every pump, especially XRP, with a huge help of XRP. So that's what's happening right here. But in my opinion, guys, I don't know. We're gonna have to see what happens. The XRP, the trend is still your friend, and the Bitcoin dominance is, I don't want to say it's still in an uptrend, because we did break this downtrend right here, and it looks like we did reject the resistance. But the big question is what will happen. We need to see the Bitcoin dominance come back down to at least 38%, the same way we saw it happening right here, in order for us to have a massive altcoin season, and the same way we saw it right here. So that is my video for today. Nothing too much more to talk about. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. And of course, if you guys do want to follow my OG YouTube channel, feel free to do so, Crypto Dose. I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Peace out.